What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? I finished eating. I'm playing Dead Rolls with Egg again. Asylum life? Don't get crazy. Flowers? Oh my God, I want to change my account name.
So change it.
Okay, after this.
Okay.
I should call you Blade.
I'm already here.
I should call Avatar. He's fine.
The first time I played this game, I thought the
Other account.
I thought every time we see the church, I thought every time we see the church, I thought it was a city.
Why?
And the first time I went to a town, I destroyed it.
Okay, guys,
With the shovel and the horse.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to pause this because I don't want you to know my password.
The video of it.
Okay. Why did I even unfriend my other account, bro? Why did I even do that? For no reason.
Tayon, we're gonna head straight to the end. You're gonna buy one coin with your
Minor
bonds, and both of us will get minor. I'm gonna buy 3 coin. We have 4 coin from bonds, 4 coin, 4, 8, 12.
What?
We have 2 coin. That's 2 minimum. Okay. That's 2 minimum, and
Okay.
okay. You bought 3.
Yeah.
You have 5 gonna buy another 3.
I hope Isha doesn't join us because she's greedy on gold. Right? Where's Isha, by the way?
It's in this recognition. Recognition, I mean. It's already in this recognition.
Let's go now. What are you doing there? I'm just gonna buy a random class. I'm gonna buy doctor. I'm just gonna buy doctor
It's
for...
better when you buy 2 more coins because we only have 10.
Oh God, is it good to buy this thing?
No, absolutely not. It's better when you buy 1 more coin because we need coin so bad.
How many gold do we need?
Yeah. We're heading straight to the end, okay?
2 more coal should I buy?
No, 1. Yeah, perfecto, Mori.
I'm broke now.
Okay, that's good.
You made me broke!
Make me throw again. Stop!
What?
Not you. I mean the bacon that's in front of me.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answers too. I'm half crazy.
Over here. Minor
Daisy,
Brothers.
Daisy.
Oh, no, Minor Brothers.
Yeah, we're minor brothers. What's that? Is that a car?
Yo, I'm older. I'm 50 years old while you're 4 years old. Oh my God.
Mama! I'm like saying my first word right now.
Me too. I'm saying my last words.
For real?
I'm saying my last words, bro.
I'm better off getting the gold.
Buy some coal, bro.
Why buy some coals?
So we have extra coal.
We have 50 different coals.
Buy
You buy bandages.
buy like 2 more cones. And the rest will be bandages.
Don't have to tell me twice. Why does coal cost so many, right?
We're gonna get packed up. You get some. You also buy some coal. Okay, bandages.
You buy bandages.
You too. You have $30 in your freaking bank card. Bro.
You use all of your money?
Yes.
How many bandages do you have? 2?
Here, bro.
I'm gonna buy extra.
Get your own box up there. You have 15 million codes.
Should I drop? Oh, yeah, my box. Oh, there it is. How do I know which one is mine?
We're heading straight to the end.
I have a lot of things. I was gonna
We
open.
don't care about the Blinkies anymore.
Why?
We're going straight to the end.
Are you talking about the blicky? If we don't have a blicky, we're not gonna be able to fight off the other guys.
No, we're gonna dodge them. We're gonna dodge them like crazy.
Yeah, we're gonna cover the walls. And buy some 3 bandages. I can use all my
I have
money.
4 codes, bro. You have 4 codes in the train. Where's your code?
I have it in my sack.
Put 2 codes in the train now.
Mario,
We're gonna buy protection.
you're so mean.
We need more protection.
Can I sell bandages in this game?
No.
Oh, you can sell it.
We're blocking ourselves.
I have 3 bandages. Let's go.
We're gonna have protection to the world. We're gonna stop at Sheriff to get a blicky.
How many things do I put? 2? I have 8 different codes.
Oh my god!
1 and 2.
No, not white tree.
So it's full.
Okay, now put your codes in the train. We're gonna get a blicky first.
Where? How do we do that?
We're gonna do the impossible mission. Why? Stop. This newspaper's bullying me. Man. I like for real.
I'm leaving you behind.
Stop! Stop! I still have protection here.
I want to drive because I've been driving. You've been driving.
Oh, why did I put it in the?
Where the hell would you put in the fuel?
Let's go now. We have 8 pieces of fuel.
I'm on my way. I used to. I put them in the train.
No, you left your bandage here.
I already have 3 bandages.
Oh.
Is this unicorn? No, it's werewolf.
You're not stopping here.
No, it's werewolf.
We're not stopping. We're stopping here. We're stopping here. Stop. Just stop. We're gonna get some coal.
Is that sheriff?
Yo, outlaws.
Oh, run!
Don't run yet. Just stay in the train.
Okay.
Get the fuel. We'll get the ice cream.
Killing the horses?
No, the outlaws. Yeah.
Are they dead?
Get the fuel. We're here too.
Can I have the chair? Can I borrow it?
We don't need. Oh, we're gonna buy a blicky.
Should I use
Let's have
these?
this. Look here.
Okay.
We're gonna buy a blicky.
Are we gonna get a blicky if we don't have oars?
It's first protection. Protection means it's very useful.
Hold on. Can I sit on top? Can you drive? I want to sit on top. Oh, the chair just fell on me.
There, perfect protection, bro. Look at that.
Oh, how are you gonna see anything?
You won't see anything. Oh my god!
You know why? It's fine because I will be the one looking at the top.
We're going for you.
Our avatar looks kinda similar.
Ouch! Who's shooting? Oh, horse! Horse are fuel, bro! Horses are fuel! Everything is fuel now!
It's nighttime. It's gonna be werewolf night now. How do I get this on top?
Carry on top. There. Don't make damage because it's a bear. No! Oh no. Okay, you're done now?
Oh, there's still outlaws.
Okay. You don't go with that.
Can you,
You only need blickies.
Blicky? It's already,
Some ammo.
it's already been 10 minutes, Manunggab.
We just looted the furniture store.
Oh my god. Why, Manunggab? I have a question. Why is Cole in a furniture store?
Oh yeah! Why is there coal in the furniture store? We need to use that, no? There's no coal in the furniture store right now.
Oh, there's a wolf behind us. Oh my god, that's terrifying. You see eyes?
Dun, 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 dun.
Do you see eyes?
Yeah.
We're going to a normal desert. What's this? Is this acid desert?
No, so
I found gold ore. I
Have we
found,
stopped?
if you want, there's werewolves. I found,
No, there's a zombie.
it's a zombie. Oh, run! I need to run. I need protection. Help! Don't go!
Why do you need to do the chair, bro?
I need to see. I can tell you when to. Oh, I'm spamming them. I'm spamming. And
Bro got left. Bro scared.
oh, he's coming. He's coming closer. He's tweaking. It's daytime. I just found another gold ore, but it just turned daytime.
We're gonna skip the time, okay?
There's coal. There's
We're gonna
coal ore.
We're gonna skip the time.
Why?
We might die.
They might
Bye bye,
chase.
Sally. They're gonna chase us, look.
Why are they running like that? Why are they running like that?
I don't know. I need ice now, bro. I need ice. Okay, we're gonna buy some blickies and some coal.
No, there's gold behind us. We left it.
We don't need gold. We need blickies.
We need gold for blickies. We need to sell gold for blickies, you know. Everything, you can sell everything in this game. Nearly everything, right?
No.
Nearly.
Don't sell the chair.
No! You need detection.
You can sell the chair right now.
No!
Like for real.
I only
I
have
don't need blickies. I need protection here, no. I'm scared.
I literally only have coal in my sack. Where's my outlaw?
Oops. Yep. Pass the coal.
Where's my outlaw?
What?
Where's my outlaw?
No.
You took it! It was in the train!
In the train? Where makes in your inventory?
That's a zombie. That's another zombie.
Oh my god.
You take my thing!
I didn't!
Why'd you take my zombie?
Maybe you forgotten. Maybe you mistook your outlook to a zombie.
It was not. There was two. Remember?
Yeah?
There was two in the base. There was one right here and one right here.
Okay, I didn't get it.
Zombies barely give us any fuel.
Yeah.
I only have $25.
Here, I'll give you box. If you're broke. I don't need this box, no. There, I have $30. I have no money now. I'm broke now.
I have $55. I can't buy a. Alright.
I'm broke!
Where's the Jimmy Amadi, ba 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 dee, ba 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 dee. You know that?
What?
I'm just gonna buy.
Lalalali! Ligurili! Bakla si Teryo Nini!
I'm just gonna buy this navy revolver. It uses
Yeah,
light.
you're the one who na buy blickies, okay?
No, I'm not buying it for you.
No, you're gonna buy blickies to protect us too.
It
You're
could have
gonna buy protection for the train.
perfect. Look, perfect.
Oh my god. You almost finished your money. You just finished your money in an instant, bro.
Yeah, I have 24 ammo with this. It's just cool when you pull it up. Sometimes it's animation. Do not cover it. We're gonna need. Did you sell my chair? Oh, thank God, we need to sell my chair.
Why do we need not to? You need to cover it, bro. Do not get shot in the window.
What, $5? I'm broke. Help! Help! Oh! Remember last time when you revived me and then I was stuck on the ground? I said, "Oh, help! Help! Help!" You know that?
Yeah.
I copied that from a YouTuber. Help! 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 What's outside, bro? What's outside? Let me check. Is that your mom? It's indeed your mom.
Okay. Nigga, bro.
It says train gone when a cure is found. I love my chair. Do not sell it, Manungab. My God, don't sell my chair. I need something to look after.
The girlfriend?
I need to look for you. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you when to stop. Yeah,
I'm
because
gonna block my driveway. I'm gonna block my windshield, bro.
why?
So I can't see. Because
My lava accidentally fell on you.
oh my god, your lava this is toasted.
Do you see me? You see me? I see you. Do you like me? Do you like me sitting on top? Well, I love my chair.
We got more than full, bro. Bro, we got more than full. Look. Tarion. We got more than full. Tarion, we got more than full. Look! We got more than full.
Oh,
Let's go now! Bro really want to chill in the game.
okay. Let's go. I'm gonna have to hit my head. Manong? No. Is that werewolf night? I heard the howl. Look, it's a werewolf forest again.
Imagine it's what's acid? Acid desert.
That was already acid desert last time. What area is this? Oh, there's ice behind us. You see it?
Look at Furniture Store in 2.0 seconds.
I'm not doing that. There's a werewolf behind us. If a werewolf... Oh, there's... Oh my god! There's a lot of fire zombies!
Where?
At the side! Look! Look! Oh my god, finally...
Don't jump off the chair, bro.
Why'd you do that? Because you see a town? Jump off a chair? Oh, there's skeletons? I saw skeletons, Manunggab. Everything's chasing us. There's skeletons behind us, bro. Oh, there's... Oh,
Yeah,
Blicky? Yeah.
now we have
How much food do we have? That's about enough to get to 2 million to 20,000. We're not gonna stop here. We're not gonna stop at any towns. We're gonna skip. Double. Give it to the double it and give it to the next person. I see yours. Come on, I need money for more ammo, remember? I need more ammo. Remember?
Sell your chair, bro.
No, I'm not.
Sell your chair.
What am I gonna use if I accidentally fall down when I'm not here? Fine, it's daytime.
But the next outpost is 2,000 kilometers.
2,000? I can see because of the smoke. Look,
1,000 kilometers to the next outpost.
we're just gonna skip this outpost because we don't even have anything to sell.
Yeah, you saw it. 2,000 kilometers.
Oh, I hit my head.
We're gonna refuel.
Yeah, that's where every stop we're just gonna refill if you don't have money. Right?
Yeah. Bro, pick up this coal right.
Why?
I can't pick it up.
No. Try it yourself. It's normal for me. You see him on the windshield?
Yes. We're going now. Quick.
Chair! I'm on my chair. We can go. We'll basically skip this place. How is it still? Where is this? Loot that. Let's loot that. Let's loot that. Oh my god. Stop, 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 stop. Stop.
Yes, gold ore. We don't even need money anymore. Oh yes, I need that.
What does that have?
That has a lot of coal. You're gonna walk over there. Okay?
Why? No! You're leaving me!
Over there. Who's the fastest of humanity? Bro?
Waiting for my turn. I'm gonna get the coal, okay? Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot of coal. There is indeed a lot of coal. Hey, I'm not against that.
You better put it in the train.
Should we get a ladder?
No, we don't need a ladder. Who needs a ladder, bro?
I'm gonna put my valuables in on top of the thing. I have a
Then burn
zombie.
down the house and put it in the field, bro.
You're right. You're just right. You're so right. Right? Wait, isn't that house made out of wood?
Yeah? Stop.
Wood and coal. Yeah.
I refill the train.
Let me drop all of my things. Let me drop all of my coal.
You make sure you
My
need to
goal.
wear the phone.
These are mine. These are mine. These are my valuables. No,
Hey,
put
weld this one.
which
I
one?
can't pick it up. Yeah.
Don't go yet. I have to weld my valuables.
I'm gonna prepare coal myself.
Well, I'm.
You're selling that for ammo.
Yeah, we are. And my gold nugget. No, you might steal it, so I'm just gonna do that.
Ready?
Yep.
Steady.
Go! Wow! 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 Wow!
The smoke
Wow!
be like.
Huh? For real, this is our original. Oh no! If you did the other one, the vampire, what's that? Is that outlaws? Let me shoot one of them.
In the old thing, in the old desert, in the old version of the outlaws, one of them can ride a unicorn. Bro.
I was thinking that earlier. What's that? Is that an abandoned train?
It's Nikon's train, bro. Focus on the gunsmith.
We focus on it. There's outlaws behind us. Is there loot in the
Unicorn! Unicorn! Oh my God. Yo, please don't kill it. You're gonna.
I'm killing it.
Oh, please. Sleep, bro.
No!
No.
Oh!
Yes! Stay alive!
No, God,
Stay alive!
We're gonna have the money of it, okay?
Okay.
What's the half of 250 again? 150.
No. 1.5. No, it's 1.5. I
What's-
don't know, bro.
Wait, let me Google.
Oh my God. We're the one of the luckiest person in the world.
Oh wait, not
No, we're
yet.
not gonna sell
Fortnite
them.
until
Wait, hold on.
We're keeping it as a treasure. Oh my god. Yo.
What?
Sit on it, Tyrion. You're gonna complete the quest.
Oh wait, hold on. How much bonds does it give me?
5.
5?
Just sit on it.
Let me search.
Just sit on it already.
What is half
Oh my god, the otter's gonna get us.
of
Just sit on it already.
250?
Oh my god.
Okay, hold on. It's 125 bucks. We're gonna have 125.
Yo!
What happened?
You're sitting. Oh
Oh no! I know! No!
no, at the town.
I log outside of the train. And it's a werewolf night. Nangab, I will have to sacrifice my life.
Don't be the dumbest person in the world.
There's a lot of zombies. Go ahead, ride the train.
You
Run!
still have enough food. You still have good food. Look. You have the best food in the game.
That's not the best thing in the game.
We will look at it already. We're gonna stop here and look at it.
Oh. After it's daytime. Should we wait here? Stop! What my chair?
Yo, you're buffed, bro.
Oh yeah, I am both.
Ow!
Run! Evacuate! Oh! Hope!
Dodger. Shot.
Shot one. I shot one.
Fuck. I will uncle the cover again. Don't use your ammo binky.
Why?
I will survive the night expedition.
Yeah. If we can. Because they're gonna keep spawning until day. They disappear in daytime, right?
Yes.
Oh, there's a lot chasing you. I should not use my ammo. Did you kill the unicorn from earlier?
No. It's almost
We're gonna half it from 125.
125.
Yeah, that's the half. We're gonna half it.
They're gone now.
Besides the one that's from the town is chasing. I killed it. Let me use a bandage. Heal. What are you doing? You suck, this guy.
Yeah. Oh, protection.
Oh, there's my outlaw I found.
Oh, I should have gone use vampire because it's raining blood. I should have gone immune to light.
And my gold nugget looks like a copper. Oh, it is raining blood. Is it already nighttime? It's 7 o'clock already? Where's the place? Oh, I thought you're... What's that? Oh, it's just a newspaper. Where are you? Where are you at?
Come here, bro.
Oh, there you are. May you get on my chair?
That's me and my horse. That's me and KFC right there.
Yeah, it's you on KFC. That's so for real. It's you on KFC, bro. Isn't that true, Manunggab? I'm sorry, guys, but I remember
There's
last
another
time.
one. Oh, we're not gonna loot that. We have a lot of coal now, bro. Look that.
By the way, guys, I accidentally paused the last one. I accidentally paused the last video. I accidentally stopped recording. Unicorn! Unicorn! I'm lying!
Stop. You're wasting fuel.
What do you mean? We're going on the straight line. There's an outlaw camp right there.
Yeah.
The side. Should we stop? Stop,
Yeah,
stop.
let's stop.
There's outlaws though. Careful. I have 12 ammo. Gotta make these count, right?
I have 2 snake oils. Gonna make this count.
I gotta make my 12 ammo count. Or my 3. This
This
is
pickaxe is gonna be one of the greatest swords ever.
killed it.
Helmet! We're not gonna need that. We're gonna sell it, bro.
Why?
The helmet, we can sell it. Then
How much money?
2 blinkies.
2 blinkies?
Ooh.
We don't need that. We don't know. Oh. Oh.
I need book all of this out.
I have a navy.
What?
I have a rifle.
Here, you can have us say a thing.
I have one too. Is that a unicorn? Oh, I accidentally installed it. Let's get the outlaws. This is my kill. Mananggab. We always fight like Sanji and Zoro of whoever got the kill, right?
I got a lot of colony stuff, bro.
Oh my
The
god.
unicorn is very fast.
Oh, yeah, well, they're 2 times faster. I have my outlaw, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna head first.
Oh, hold on. Can I run over your unicorn?
No!
I see you. I'm gonna go to you. We're gonna be stuck at the same speed. What's the fastest thing in this game?
What?
What's the fastest thing in this game?
Fastest thing? The crocodile.
Crocodile?
Yes.
What do you mean crocodile? Is that in the swamp? Is there a swamp area?
There's a crocodile here.
Where is it found?
Hey!
How did you even know about that crocodile, bro?
I saw it in TikTok.
Maybe it's fake.
No, never really. I will miss you, KFC. The greatest KFC horn.
Horn KFC. KFC in his prime.
This guy so.
Look, it's KFC on his prime because he has a horn and became stronger. Right?
I will miss you.
Where's my valuables?
Hey, you get this.
I can't even sell this! Look! You're lying!
Oh!
Just equip it, bro.
No, you can't equip it. The next.
Why? It's literally armor! Why can't I...
Here's your $5, nigga.
Huh?
Here's your $5 for the unicorn.
What?
You have your own. Here, there's the $5 of your unicorn. You need that. The $5 over there. Get it. That's part of the unicorn.
Okay. I guess. I just need medium ammo.
We're keeping.
Should we? What?
You're keeping KFC's prime, bro. We're keeping it.
Oh my god! Why?
We can't sell it.
Why?
Look.
It has a saddle on?
No. Unicorn can be sold with the saddle.
You can't be sold with a saddle?
I'm glad I put KFC's prime.
Why didn't you sell him?
It can't.
Why?
It can't get sold.
Why can't it not get sold?
I don't know.
Come on. Maybe it's because of the saddle. Revolver uses shotgun shells, right?
I love you. I'll protect you.
Manunggab?
I'm gonna buy a
Manunggab?
bomb.
Our shotgun shells For rifles. I mean
Shotgun. Let me buy first. I'm gonna only buy one, bro.
come on! Hey! I was gonna buy first.
There, bro.
I'm leaving you. I'm gonna kill if you don't let me buy, I will kill
I'm
you.
already done, bro. That was the quickest thing I ever made in my entire life.
Is shotgun shells for rifles? Not the rifles, the
I wanna kill you for unicorn blood. I'm gonna sell your blood.
still unicorn blood.
Wait,
Let me do the settings. Wait, first. Let's make it small. Anong gab? Are medium ammo for revolver rifle? Manong, is shotgun shells for revolver rifle?
What?
Are shotgun shells for revolver rifle?
It's shotgun shells are for shotgun.
So it's medium ammo.
What?
Revolver rifle, this thing needs medium ammo.
What the heck? It needs medium ammo, of course. Revolver rifle.
Why did you say that? Why did you say, "Hey, what the heck? What are you, what? It's actually in the shop. You buy one more? Actually, one more. I'll take a picture and remember I'm on Mars.
I'm gonna go now.
How many ammo? 120. Is that enough?
Yeah. Mine is 48.
You have 48
I'm
only.
gonna go straight to the end.
Hold on. I have more valuables to sell.
Oh my god, stop!
I'll just sell them at the next stop. You let me get up here real quick. Three, two, one. Okay. I forgot about my other valuables. Oh my god. There's silver. I don't really want that. There's also. And 3, 2, 1. Stop. There's gold. There's gold.
We're gonna raid this, bro. I love raiding towns so badly.
We're gonna raid these. Oh, there's a exploding one. I angered all of them. Anong
Why
gabo?
did you shoot? Why
There.
did you shoot the gun?
Oh, run. They're about.
You woke up the whole town!
What? Not the whole town. Want me to run over them?
One gunshot is enough to wake up a whole freaking town, bro.
Not all of them. I thought you said we're gonna raid it.
Never now, because they're all awake.
I found another. Oh my god. I found a unicorn and I'm actually serious.
Yeah.
At the back, where the zombies were, I don't know if it was a unicorn. Maybe I'm just seeing things. I don't think we should go there.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm seeing things.
But we already have KFC's Prime.
Yeah. Oh, there's a pack of werewolves.
Oh, yo!
There's a pack of werewolves. Why are the trains so slow?
Five thousand meters. Then next time.
Oh my god.
You just can just chill with it.
Ah! I'm seeing a lot of horses. I found a gold, I found a cup, what's it called ore, but stop using a window.
Oh, let me remove it.
It's a castle.
Where?
To the side?
Let me see. Oh no.
I don't think we should.
We're not gonna loot it.
Huh?
We're not gonna loot it because we're gonna get cooked.
Again! Don't even have enough ammo. Is that a werewolf?
Oh, Sheriff, let's loot it. Never mind.
Oh! You forgot about those guys in the back of us!
Oh, what? He followed us!
They followed us from earlier! The detection thing is a werewolves are unstoppable.
Oh my god, this is the most satisfying thing I ever seen in my entire life.
What? Oh my god.
Oh my god, look! Just look already!
Where are they? Let me hijack this. I'm gonna hijack this. Then, hold on. I'm gonna hijack this. Where are the werewolves? Oh, they disappeared. They disappeared. I have valuables to sell.
Did you take the outline the train?
Hmm?
Did you take the outline the train?
No, I lost it earlier. I was at 21. What did you sell?
Shotgun.
Why did you do that?
And
21. I got things that cost $5, and now I have 10 to buy one bandage.
this is my outro, remember?
Hmm?
I got it in the where I got this outro where we found the unicorn.
Oh, where's
Bro,
mine?
remember? Some outlaws can ride a unicorn, and a unicorn happened.
Mananggab? That happened right after you said, out in the old outlaws they can ride a unicorn, and then it just happened, right?
Yes, OGs come back.
Right?
Look, OGs come back. 6-1.
Where's the 6-1? Oh, dang! It's not OG. Can I run you over?
No,
I'm leaving you behind.
no, stop.
Oh, not again. I want to hijack the turrets. Mananggab, do I have a permission to hijack turrets?
Yeah,
Oh, Mananggab, when the zombies spawn, they come out of the ground.
I know because they're undead. Remember?
There's a. I'm gonna hijack the turret so we can protect each other.
How many money do you have?
I have 0.
I'm richest, bro. I'm the richest person in the world.
Look, I'm the richest person. Look.
Wait, there's a zombie in here. We're gonna go now. Goodbye, niggers. Goodbye, food.
This thing has. Oh, dang.
They left you behind.
Yes, you did. Mananggab, you did left me behind. And now there's 14 werewolves chasing me. I see the eyes of 15 zombies.
The terrified Tarion is here.
Oh, goodbye. I think the people that are trying to help us are gonna turn into zombies.
Can't you help me already?
I'm not even on the train.
Where are you then?
Oh, Ron, there's a zombie on the side. There's a zombie on the side. How are they still coming inside? Mananggab, how are they coming inside from the newspaper?
I don't know. Maybe there's a bookmark or something.
Can you help me get on top, by the way?
Yeah, it's down there. Fourth Constitution. We're gonna read that so bad.
We're not gonna read that. We're not gonna read that. We're cooked.
It's Fourth Constitution. You can get a freaking cannon in there, bro.
So, we're not gonna risk everything. Remember the boss? We died instantly.
Yeah.
We died instantly to the boss. Just think not again. It's a thunder night, bro.
No, it's not thundering. It's raining, of course. Raining.
There's an area with a lot of coal. I found a lot of coal area
Yeah.
up there. Just leave it. I don't really care. Found a sheriff. And another sheriff. Stop! Well, there's a sheriff.
Yeah, I don't need it. Get that coal first.
I want to kill those baby wolves. Oh, they're already coming for me. In 3, 2, 1. I killed the wolf.
There's really nothing here.
He's coming.
There's nothing here.
It's nothing.
Just the last button that I need to do something on the unicorn.
Oh.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
sell its blood, bro.
How much does this blood cost?
Sell something as his own kind.
We're gonna have it $125.
Oh, the train let you sit in the chair.
Oh. Let's loot that. Should we loot that?
No, we have enough fuel.
Should we loot that one? The blue house.
No, we have enough fuel.
Should we loot that house over there?
We have enough fuel, bro.
Yeah. Who's Edra? There's a tank. Should we raid it? Oh, there's gold. There's gold. There's gold. There's gold.
Buy, get your, sell your valuables and buy coal. We're gonna run it. We're running out of fuel.
Oh. Isn't there coal in the tree?
Yeah, a little bit. We need to get fuel.
I have 2 different ores in my thing. Nagab, want to set out on a mission?
Quick, I'm drunk while driving.
Nagab, I want to tell you something.
Oh.
We want to set out a mission to find Bigfoot.
No, we can't even. YouTubers can't even find it, bro.
They need the admin to spawn it for them.
Yeah.
Can we loot that?
No, it's a big sound, bro.
I'm gonna shoot.
Wake up to reality.
Oh, I woke up like 2 of them. Oh, there's a thingy, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna use it as fuel. By the way, outpost is nearby.
By the way, zombies are chasing behind us. Careful.
Why did they use a glass bucket to attack? Let's have the. You're gonna get us the money to buy shit. I'm sorry for the horse death.
There's
KFC! It's McDonald's!
McDonald's!
I'll get the money. I'm gonna buy fuel.
McDonald's, you're gonna stay with me, okay?
Best friends forever.
They will be talking. Well,
Hello, KFC. Oh, hello, McDonald's. How are you today?
where's the outlaws? Was there only 2? Did you have them for me? Can you get up? Can I get up at the top?
Yeah, the outpost nearby.
Should I get up at top?
Outpost nearby. Outpost is nearby.
Help! I'm gonna fall.
This is the farthest we got. 50,000 kilometers.
This is the last time we died at the prison. Overdue, Manonggab. Manonggab, isn't this the last time we died? We tried to
No,
do
it was 30. It was 40,000 kilometers.
Oh,
Yep, money bags.
not my first game. Where are you?
The sheriff already sold my things. I wanna buy coal now. I wanna buy coal. Oh, I wanna buy coal. You buy bullets.
Bullets? Where do I buy bullets again? Gunsmith?
Yes. Are you damaged or something?
Manonggab, did I buy this rifle? I'm broken off. Manonggab,
What?
should I buy the rifle? I'm broken off.
No, you're broke. Why would you buy a rifle when you're broke? What did I say, waifu, bro?
Waifu? You just say a waifu?
No,
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
I did not.
Collect. Okay, I have 168 ammo. Let's go. I forgot to buy coal. I'm sorry.
No, I already got coal.
Oh, okay, thank God. I forgot what to buy, so I just bought ammo. You barely bought coal, bro. They sell this painting.
What?
They sell this painting.
No!
Why?
It's our own goal. Leaders. We're gonna go now.
No, no, no! Let me get up! Let me get up! Let me get up! Good
Good, you're
boy.
gonna get your achievement.
I'm not. I already got it.
The 50,000 thing?
I don't have it. Oh, yeah, I got it now. I got it now.
Yes, sir. This is your farthest you can go.
What is your farthest? Did you win this game before?
Yeah, I won it a lot of times. I won like 7 times or 10. Oh yeah, I won 11 times.
How?
Because my classmate was once a hacker.
Oh, you got. Oh, I know what you guys did. I think he teleported you there and then killed all of the mobs and then just
No!
teleported.
Last time me and Ishan, my classmate, did use hacks. I'm the one carrying the whole team.
But now
the
I.
vampire team.
Should we stop there?
No.
I mean, there's a lot of green ice chasing us. Hold on, AFK. I need to pee.
If we don't have fuel and coal anymore, we're gonna use the unicorn. We're gonna use the In the last outpost, there's a lot of outlaws.
Okay, I'm back, guys. What?
In the last outpost,
That's the biggest town I've ever seen.
yeah. In the last outpost, there's gonna be a lot of outlaws. And if you defeat those outlaws
What time is it? Can you check?
and cross the bridge, and cross the bridge, we're gonna hide under the bridge until
Zombies spawn behind the bridge. Don't we have to fight Nikola Tesla too?
No, we didn't activate Nikola Tesla.
Why did he turn against us?
Oh my god, can't you see that right now? Oh my god, one fell, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yo! It's a rare horse!
Huh?
It's a rare horse!
It's a rare one?
Defeat the thing.
Go faster! No! You go fast. You go faster.
I got it. Oh my god, it's a rare horse, bro.
Does it sell for a lot?
It's a prison, bro! We're never going there, bro!
Yeah, the boss is too strong. Anong gab?
Oh no, they're here. Oh my god.
We're not safe. Oh, what is... Oh! A guy... Oh, he just teleported behind me. Oh, he's teleporting. Oh. How much does that horse sell for?
No, it's not a horse. It's a godly horse.
Should I sell it?
Oh, really? Let's sell it.
Yeah, let's try to sell it.
You can't pick it up or store it. So that's lame.
Just move it. How about we just move it there?
No, you can't sell it.
How about we just call that the final form of what's his name?
McDonald's.
Yeah. We're gonna have to kill the old
The prime
McDonald.
of McDonald's.
We can't even get him up. We can't even get him up.
That's useless. It's a famine!
Can I sell it? Can I sell it now? Oh, let's just keep it. Let's just keep it as like.
Treasure. It's a treasure. We got a...
Let's call it a memory for what's his name? McDonald's. It's a memory for McDonald's as his old dad. Right?
Yes. Hey, put it outside! Like a remembrance.
No, we're not putting it inside so we can actually see it. Why is the music still going? What's happening?
The unicorn is carrying the whole train.
Yeah, I see. I feel it moving. Oh, what's this guy?
Why do we got zombies in our train?
put them there?
It's a mess. I'm getting very zombies. What do you burn up?
You didn't tell me.
I should have placed it.
You didn't tell me.
What if you killed the unicorn?
No. Get the bottle. It's milk. How to pour it?
Oh, yo! Push it. Push it.
On top?
Yo! Yo!
Get unicorn blood on it. Make it full of unicorn blood.
It's already full.
That's the full?
We're gonna sell
We're gonna have $125.
$30.
Oh, let me just have it.
No, that's mine.
I'm gonna give you the money. I'm gonna give you it. After I buy a little bit more coal.
Do you hear that?
Manggab, should I buy coal? Manong, should I buy coal?
What?
Should I buy coal?
Yes.
Okay. Should I buy ammo? Manong Gab? Is 168 ammo enough for the last final, for the boss battle?
Yes. $100 is enough. Oh, heck yeah! The red unicorn corpse is ready.
Let's have it, let's have it, let's have it. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
50 for you. 50 for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 50 for you. Then 50 for me. Then 50 for you.
Okay, is that half?
Yes.
Oh, one just flew.
Money talks.
Money talk. We can buy infinite fuel now.
Both of us should have $100.
I have 188 because I had starting money. Okay. Let's buy a lot of ammo. I should buy my rifle, right? You should buy a coal after the rifle, okay?
No, let me buy my rifle. That's $75.
$75.
No, I'm not gonna buy that. It's too expensive.
Just buy coal. Just buy coal.
Not even worth it.
The coal's
Oh,
worth it.
yep. Just but I don't have enough money.
Why is it still doing that sound?
I don't know, bro.
I just noticed it's still making that sound.
Let's go now.
Need to buy ammo. Just a little bit more ammo.
Ryan, your call here. I can't pick it up. Your call's here. Put it in your sack or use it. Yo, here.
Why is it still making that sound? There's no werewolf.
I know. Can you weld this real quick? I can't even pick it up. Let's go. Go now. They're here.
What? The werewolves?
Yes. We gotta leave. They killed one of our inmates.
I don't see any of them. Oh, I see one now.
60,000 kilometers. 20 more thousand kilometers to the end. Thank you. Ding, ding, ding.
How did you get hacked, bro?
What?
How did your friend get admin?
What?
How did your friend get admin? Oh, they're
Admin?
shooting at me. Yeah. Hacking. Yeah. How did your friend get hacked?
It's on the Chrome. I don't know how to get also.
Some Chrome?
Yes.
Oh my god, what way to do it?
The hacks?
Yeah?
No, you can't even do it. I can't even do it.
Did you do the exact same thing?
No? I can't do it. too hard.
Can you read that?
No.
I'm gonna make a sound though.
Wake up to reality.
Oh, they were already sleeping, so they all woke up. Is that church? We go there. We should go there.
No, there's useless there because we don't even have enough money to buy the Tesla coil.
What? Why do we need a Tesla coil?
I don't know, man. I think it's useless.
What? How many kilometers are we at?
Sleep, oh.
5,000 more kilometers.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to win again.
Same. This is my first time winning, by the way. Well, how is it still nighttime, bro? Is it daytime now?
Yes.
Finally! A breath of fresh air.
4,000 kilometers till next outpost.
Should we raid these houses? I think we need coal.
Dayan, we need to prepare for on 80,000 kilometers. We had to prepare so bad.
Oh, never mind. It's nighttime.
It's not nighttime. It's raining. Yeah, bro.
It's thunder night.
Why would you die?
I think it's thunder night.
You want heavy ammo? Do you have?
I don't even have a turret.
Oh, no, let's forget about this.
We need to stock up on
Fuel and
ammo.
ammo. Yeah, ammo.
I have a rifle that has 300 ammo.
We're gonna be on 70,000 kilometers now. 10 more thousand kilometers. We're gonna be in the end.
Can you carry on me? I'll do the bridge. I'll click the bridge. Protect me. Do you have to long press the bridge?
Yes. Are you there now?
Indeed. Do you have to long press the bridge?
Yes. Bro, are you scared out of your guts?
Why do I have to long press it?
So you can activate it first.
Ma? Ma?
Okay, 70,000 kilometers.
That's 70,000?
Yes. Are you ready?
Not really.
We sold a KFC Prime.
Ma? Ma, no ma.
We just left the outpost.
Well, we're late.
Dayan, put your coals here, bro. Can you pick up your coal here?
I don't have coal.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
This one.
Put it on the oven.
The
I'm gonna buy
oven?
some Blinkies.
Why did you say oven?
Oh no, I mean furnace.
Do you have money?
Yes.
Need to buy coal.
We already have enough coal, bro.
What happens if we need to move the train?
What?
Need to move the train, remember?
Okay.
Do we need max or it's okay if it's like this? Do we need max?
Yeah, we need maximum, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna make it.
This is enough now.
What?
Yes.
Yeah. I also have one.
It's already 10:28. I haven't been read this yet. If it's done in the game, I will read it. You'll be the driver. I want to play. You'll be the driver.
Hold on, what happens if I go in here without Tesla coil? Manangga, Tesla coil doesn't cost 10,000. Tesla coil doesn't cost 10,000.
What?
Tesla coil doesn't cost 10,000.
How much is it?
It's 750.
750. We have enough money. Let's go now.
Yeah. Bam, 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 bam. Hold on, stop. I need to get on
You
top.
may not like to be in the front.
Why?
You get aimbotted. There are turrets there.
Oh, there's turrets? Okay, I'm gonna go down. 70,000 kilometers. Why are the turrets against me? Are there zombies rolling the turrets?
We don't need gold now, remember? We don't need gold now, okay?
Because we can't even sell. They don't even have. They don't even give us time to sell. I'm so ready to fight the Nikola Tesla.
There's no Nikola Tesla now.
What?
There's no Nikola Tesla.
Oh yeah, thank God. Oh, look, there's a Nikola Tesla area.
Where? Forget me.
Yeah, we don't want to fight them, right?
Yes.
Oh my God, this looks insane. Look. Wow, 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 wow.
We're near now. We're almost there.
What kilometers are we at?
17.
Oh,
Ready, Captain?
aye, Captain.
Oh, I can't hear you.
Aye, Captain.
Oh, we're gonna get defeated by the Outlaws in the sea. Captain.
Are we sure? They keep spawning, don't they?
No.
Is this Vampire Knight?
By the way, you can get bombs in one of their buildings.
Oh my God, is this Vampire Knight? Oh my God, how many bombs do I get if I win?
What?
How many bombs do I get if I win?
10.
10? Oh yeah.
You're scared, right? Me too.
I'm falling off the...
It's very close now. Oh my God, Tarion! Tarion na kada-kilometers. Tarion! Still night time, bro.
How about we just go there if it's...
There's over there. Tarion!
Let's wait for daytime. How about that? Let's wait for daytime. Hey! Get out! Kill the vampire. There's wolves under us. I'm killing the things. I'm getting their attention to sacrifice my life. I didn't die, my God. Let's wait for daytime and let's revive me, right? I've been sacrificing my life. I told you I was sacrificing. I just saw three vampires kissing each other. You see? Behind you.
Oh my God, it's a lot.
Wait for daytime.
It's a lot.
Wait for daytime. Wait for daytime. Don't worry. It's 6 a.m.
Oh, bro. Now there are wolves.
But they can't even get up. They can't even get up here.
I use my sneaker. Go now.
Help.
Be ready, bro.
I can't move. I can't move.
Be ready, bro. Be ready.
Okay, hold on.
I have no armor, bro. Just a helmet.
Couldn't even pick up the helmet from earlier. What happened to that bandage?
Okay, let's go now.
I'm not ready yet.
Oh my God, Darion. I'm so scared. Help me.
Help! I need my guns. I'm gonna track them to here.
Let's go now.
I have to kill those guys, bro. They're so annoying. The wolves.
Get your things now.
Hold on, let me get my ammo,
First,
my rifle, and my bandage, and my other bandage. Where are you going? What are you doing? Are you going first?
yes.
Why?
No.
Don't have fuel?
We have fuel. Just go to the train and then drive it.
I can't drive it.
What?
Can't drive it.
Let me see. Then I see the tracks.
Maybe it's because a lot of dead bodies are on the wheel.
No, there's no more tracks. We have to walk it over there.
Why do I have to walk it there?
Grab McDonald's, bro.
I don't think he deserves to die.
Deserves to.
No, he doesn't. It's been 1 hour and 10 minutes, Manunggab.
I know.
We definitely didn't speedrun this like your plan. Right? Right?
The bullets don't work now.
You have to long press the bridge. You have to protect me.
Yes, you're the long press the bridge. Killed one.
They get stronger, right? You have to make this count. I'm so excited doing. Isn't their damage doubled? Number 1. Remember in Whiskey Peak in One Piece, Zoro counted his kills?
Yes.
Did he keep spawning? Did I keep spawning?
No, we didn't spawn.
Only zombies?
No. Nothing spawn.
Okay. Is it cleared?
Yes.
This is the easiest play. This is the easiest thing ever. Turn crack. We need to wait 5 minutes, right?
Not yet. Not too long.
Why? You didn't tell me. Okay. Why do I need to not do that?
Because we almost not get spawned yet.
You didn't tell me. I got the building with the bombs. They get stronger, right? Manong, they get stronger. Don't you dare sacrifice your life, Manunggab. That's what I did and I died. Why? I'm hiding. Where are you? You have to get on top of that. Oh, that's your plan? You have the best plan. Can they get us from here? Oh, they can still walk to us. Oh my god. Oh no. Are you sacrificing? Wow, wow, wow! Oh, oh my god, I fell down. I fell. one arrow, I also get thunder then die. Is the thunder one shot? Is there more? I hear barks. 58 minutes, 58 minutes. We have to wait 58 minutes. I see gun bullets. There's outlaws under you. I can see the bridge lowering. Oh my god, this 25 more minutes and we'll survive. We will win for the first time.
Oh my god!
Oh, what's that? Is that good?
Sige, pass!
Sige, pass! 5, 4, 3,
Oh my god!
2,
Oh my god!
1. Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my We won! We're gonna post this on YouTube! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! We're never doing this again! That was so hard!
Very hard.
When the brothers are together. Right? I'm never doing that again.
Why?
A fistful of dollars. How do you get that?
Never
Complete the
sell-
game?
Don't sell anything.
Should we do that? Why?
I'm gonna Regos! I'm stinky, bro!
We're never doing that again. I finished the game. Yeah!